Hey, what's up guys? I have an HVAC video for all of you. Now, as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be doing a December 2024 checkup and startup of my 2019 Carrier Performance Series 80% gas efficient furnace. So without further ado, let's take a look at the components, make sure everything is working properly. So here we have our vacuum switches. This is to make sure pressure is present in the heat exchanger. And if there is not enough pressure, these switches will not connect and send a signal to the circuit board. Right over here we have our draft inducer fan motor. Main job of this is to pull in air to the heat exchanger and mix it with fuel. And this spins at 3,000 RPM, which is insanely fast. And of course, this will wear out over the time, so you'll have to get a replacement eventually. So right over here we have our flue pipe with a high temperature limit switch. If this switch trips because the pipe is too hot, the furnace will shut off. And right over here we have our gas valve. The gas valve is mainly to block off gas and let in gas to the combustion chamber, which is a little farther down. Right behind here are two more high temperature limit switches. Those are mainly for the heat exchanger. If the heat exchanger gets too hot, then one of those switches will trip and shut off the furnace. So down here we have our combustion chamber, which contains 5 burners, our hot surface igniter, and our flame sensor. Flame sensor is to the right, which as you can see is in good shape, and our hot surface igniter, which is to our left, and of course the combustion chamber altogether. So everything seems to be in good shape. So now let's go ahead and turn on this furnace for the first time for the month of December. There you go, guys. So, yep, my furnace is still running quite strong. And I don't know if you saw in this part of the video, I turned off the light so you could see the igniter and the flames a little bit better compared to if the light was on. So yeah, everything is working properly as they should. Vacuum switches are engaged. Motor is on. Combustion chamber is doing its job. Blower fan motor's on. And everything seems to be working properly. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please be sure to like, comment, rate, and of course subscribe. And thank you all very much for watching.